Shine, shine your light on me, yeah.
Hi, Nick here from Autosol Australia to show you how to use Autosol Gold and Silver Polish. Formulated for use on soft metals, Autosol Gold and Silver Polish is mild enough to clean and protect your precious items without risking any damage to them. So how do we use it? First, clean any dust or dirt from your workpiece with a damp cloth or sponge and dry it thoroughly. Then use a clean, dry polishing cloth, making sure it's free from any sand or other abrasive particles. Apply a teaspoon or more of the Autosol Gold and Silver Polish to the cloth. Covering 5 to 15 centimetres at a time, rub the polish over the workpiece in a circular motion. Finish by wiping away the paste with a second clean and dry polishing cloth until you see the shine come up. If necessary, repeat the process a couple of times for better results. And that's it. Thanks for watching and shine on.